Okay, Reed, Pepall here. So this is your assignment. Next time you come over, we're gonna make a what Pepall calls a bed rail, what other people would call a bed cane. It's used basically to keep the very old and the very young from falling out of bed. So I think you've seen these plans before, so let's go over them a little bit. This says 1-inch diameter Schedule 40 pipe. So there's the Schedule 40 that tells you how thick it is. Then there's 6 elbows, 4 T's, 4 18-inch pieces, 2 12-inch pieces, 2 9-inch pieces, 2 8-inch pieces, and 2 6-inch pieces. And then you see a diagram of how it goes together. So these are the elbows, these are the T's. There's elbows again, T's, and then elbows. So this is the 18-inch pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 2 12-inch pieces. Then this is 8 inches here and here, 9 inches, these two, and finally 6 and 6. So Pepall's going to make one, and then I'm going to leave it and let you make the other one. So what it comes down to is you prime the pipe, which is basically a cleaner with this at the joints, and then you have to glue it, and that's with this right here. So that'd be your job. And we'll make one of these, and then Mom's or Gigi's physical therapist will have it to keep in her car, and if there's somebody that needs one, she'll be able to have it. So I thought that I would show you what the writing on the pipe looks like. In fact, you were there when we bought it because you helped Pepall ring it up at the cash register. But right here, it tells you that it's 1 inch, okay, and that it's PVC. But PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. And right there is its Schedule 40, and it's rated to 450 PSI at 23 degrees Celsius. So Schedule 40, when you look at it, that's pretty thick on the ends. So you can kind of see how thick it is as opposed to the thin wall stuff that you might use for something like, I don't know, irrigation systems. All right, so this is pretty stout stuff. All right, take care. Okay, so Pepall wanted to show you how we make this stuff, so I was just going to do one of these joints. So this is one of the 18-inch pieces, so I can measure it right here, and we can see that it is 18 inches long. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to assemble this straight piece with this elbow right here. And first thing we're going to do is use the primer on this, which helps give you a nice clean joint. Okay. So to do that, all we do is we take this, it has a brush on it like this, and we go around it. Okay. And that leaves a purple line. That's how you know it's been primed. Okay. So now there's the primer. And we'll let that dry for just a little bit, and then we'll get this out here. This is the cement. All right, and we'll take this, so you can see it here. We'll go around this with cement. All right, so here we go. You can see that we're going around this, putting cement on. And we take this elbow, and it goes on right here. Give it a little twist. That's a solid joint, because that basically, it melts this PVC plastic together. That joint is not coming apart. Okay? Take care, grandson. Okay, grandson, I just wanted to show you that we took all these parts. There's a 10-foot pipe that we bought, and we used all of our fittings, but we took something, just a piece of raw material right here, and we made something useful out of it. So this part right here goes underneath the mattress on the bed, And then this part right here that sticks up goes out the side of the mattress for the to keep you in it or to hold on to while you get in bed or help you get back out. So as you see, we can take a look at the plans. It looks just like the picture here. So when you get older, or maybe as a fun fact to know and tell and impress all your friends, that's called an orthogonal view, okay, or an assembly diagram, okay. And in a little bit, when the glue dries good, maybe we'll actually put it under a mattress and I'll show you what it looks like in somebody's house, okay. Take care. Okay, grandson. Papa wanted to show you how to use this. So if you notice, we got a short side and a long side. So this is to help people from rolling out of bed or using it as something to hold on to when they're right there. So it just goes underneath the mattress like this. Okay. So some people call it bed bar, but you can hold on to it or whatever, and it won't come out. All right. So that's what we made. That's how you use it. Take care. That ball out.